Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to install extension on Safari. So for you to be able to install extension, here is how you can get it done. Click on the settings on your iPhone. Okay, good, we are good to go now. Click on the settings. Once you click on the settings, they show something like this. Then you scroll down a little, then you tap on Safari app settings on your iPhone. Okay, I think I have to go up a little. Yes, Safari. Okay, this is Safari right here. Then you click on Safari, then you scroll down a little, then you tap on this option which is extensions, then you click on it. Then right here you can see I don't have no extension installed on my Safari, so I'm just going to click on more extensions. Then this will automatically refer me or take me back to Apple Store, which is the App Store. Then from here I can search for a list of extensions that I want, but right here Apple made it easy for me. So there are some most essential Safari extensions which is highly selected by app editors, Apple Store editors. So I'm just going to click on see all. So right here I can see different type of extensions that can be installed on my Safari, starting from the hyperweb, which is all in one browser extensions. You can click on this. Then if you don't know what it does, you can just simply go to the about. Then this particular is just for enhancement or automatically as used. Okay, good. Actually this actually block annoyance and suggestive mouse alternative, so this doesn't do much. It's just for blocking annoyances, let's say hats. So also this, which is good link, this is paid. This Grammarly AI rating keyboard is also an extension. This is also an extension which is turn off the light for Safari. All these are paid. This is free. One password manager, this is an extension as well on Safari. This momentum also is an extension. So it actually depends on the kind of extension that you want. If you want something good, or just probably look for it. And also this is another one. This is another extension right here, but this is paid, which is URL to QR for Safari. You can see that. Then this is actually a game changer. Okay, this is all about this extension right here, and this kind of okay. So it depends on if you want it. Once you're done, just click on the app. You don't know how to install stuff from Apple Store. Just click on it, then you click on get, and it's automatically download. And once it's downloaded, the iPhone will install this extension and install it straight to your Safari, because that is where this extension is being required. It's not something that will just install on your phone. Once you install it, it will be installed in Safari, and the Safari operating system will try to relate with it and make it work for the purpose of you install this app. And that is how to install extensions on Safari. If you find this video helpful, like and follow for more. Thank you.